Right, here's a very quick one for you. Injector seals leaking, it's common. You know, you'll get stuff coming up through these tubes here. Well, a few years ago, good old JP made me this little tool here, and it's an end mill, 11/16, 17mm, thereabouts. And he shrunk a piece of steel onto this shaft, you know, press fitted it on, and drilled a little hole through the end here. So we've got like a Tommy bar. Not Tommy Robertson bar, but let's have a look at what the difference is. So you can see down there where I've used the tool to clean the seat out. It's a little bit chattery, but it'll be fine. But it's certainly a lot better than down there. Down there. Down there. You probably can see there's a step here. It's not the same size diameter, so that's something to watch for. But that's a little tool that you can use. And then the copper washers will sit nicely. I'm just going to polish that one up a little bit more, and then I'm going to go around all the rest. But just a stupid little thing, really. Works well.